Today we are going to cook something amazing. A breakfast with a lot of fiber, a breakfast that you will enjoy a lot, and we are going to use prickly pear or cactus leaf. In Spanish it's called nopales. You can buy it in many Latin American supermarket, especially Mexican supermarket. They are very cheap. When you buy them, bring them at home, give them a rinse, and just start slicing the prickly pear this way. Make sure you cut it. Sometimes they have a little bit of a spine. Sometimes they sell them like this, or almost clean. And all you have to do is just cut it in a little square. That's it. If you have never eaten prickly pear, just give it a try. You will enjoy it. It's good for your body. Okay, now we're gonna put the prickly pear in boiling water. Let it cook for 5 minutes. That's it. You don't need to add salt or anything like that. I'm gonna use some onions, maybe just a little bit of onion for our breakfast. Instead of eating like pancakes with a lot of sugar, a lot of calories, we're gonna do something low in calories. I'm gonna use a mushroom. I love mushrooms. This type of mushroom, okay? I don't like the other mushroom that make you hallucinate. I have never tried those. Anyway, these are mushroom that you can buy at Costco or any other store. When you buy them, make sure you remove the stem, and you can use a little bit of paper napkin and just remove the little dirt on the top. And there is no need to rinse the mushroom in water. Now we're gonna cut the mushroom in slices. You can use around 4 or 5 mushrooms. You can use white mushroom if you don't find brown, or sometimes they also have shiitake mushroom. Those are very good. But I enjoy mushroom in salads, in breakfast. Okay, the prickly pear is already cooked. Now you can eat them raw if you want to. But I like to boil it in water for only 5 minutes. And then we're gonna remove it from the hot water, and we're gonna rinse it in cold water for maybe just like 30 seconds. It's very easy to cook this prickly pear. Now let's leave it on the side. If a little piece falls, you can just try one. See, it has a nice texture. Now we're gonna use avocado oil. I read once that somebody made a margarita with prickly pear. I would like to try that too. A little bit of oil. If you don't have avocado oil, you can use olive oil or any type of oil that you like. And we're gonna fry the onions and the mushroom, because we don't want to eat the mushroom raw. Just give it some time, maybe around like 3 or 4 minutes. We want the vegetable to be softened. We're gonna add more fiber to this breakfast. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of butter, just a little bit. You can omit it if you want to, but there's a good idea to add a little bit of butter, because you just keep watching. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do later. Now we're gonna put the cactus leaf or the nopales, and we're just gonna keep cooking for maybe like 2 more minutes. Every morning I always have this breakfast. Instead of eating cereal, instead of eating, something that is not very healthy, I like to prefer this. Now we're gonna add some baby spinach. No need to wash them because they're already clean. They're already washed, triple wash. Just throw a lot of spinach in there, and just keep moving everything with your spoon in there. We are almost done. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever eaten something like this in your life? If not, give it a try. See if you like it. Okay, look what happens when you are cooking the spinach. They become smaller because of the heat, right? Now you can put some tomatoes in there. You can put cilantro. That's what I do sometimes. I like to put like cherry tomatoes. And we are ready. Finish cooking the vegetables. See, there's no need to use a lot of oil, just a little bit. Now we're gonna use 1 egg. We're gonna use some protein. Put the eggs in a bowl, use a fork and just break the egg. There's no need to add milk, don't put any salt in there, please. Now I'm gonna use some whole wheat tortilla. Instead of using white tortilla, we're gonna use a wheat tortilla. Put the egg in the pan. You don't add any oil or butter because we already used the butter in the beginning. And just start moving your pan from left to right. Pretend you're making an omelet. Then put the tortilla. The tortilla is cold. Okay, there's no need to heat it. After you put the tortilla, put the palm of your hand, turn the pan, and see, you already have here a quesadilla. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I like mozzarella cheese. By the way, this is not a vegan recipe, but if you want to make it vegan, you can omit all the animals products. You can put any type of cheese in there. Sometimes I put sour cream instead of mozzarella. Now we're gonna put all the vegetables on top of the omelet, and the flame of your stove is at this moment is very low right now because you don't want to burn the tortilla. You start putting all the filling on top, and then use your fingers and just turn one side of the tortilla. And ladies and gentlemen, we have here a very healthy quesadilla made with a lot of fiber. And then after 1 or 2 more minutes, just turn it over. And this is a good way to make a breakfast. Now put the quesadilla on top of a little piece of table or piece of wood and just use the knife and cut it in half. I'm trying to eat something healthier now. I like to eat a lot of vegetables. I like to eat a lot of food that have a lot of fiber. You know, this breakfast is gonna make you from eating a lot because it's gonna fill you up because of the fiber. Now, what I like to accompany this breakfast is with some salsa. You can click at the end of this video or in the little corner on your right side, and I'll leave you the recipe how to make a good salsa to eat with this quesadilla. And thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and like I promised, I'm gonna keep uploading some more. This is a good way to eat in the morning, a good breakfast. So tasty, so delicious. Thank you and have a great day.